Storm getting ready to roll in. Just saw some lightning. It's much brighter on the camera. There we go. Again, it's a lot darker than it looks. Nice. Hey, buddy. I made it in. Got all the stuff in for the rain. Right, Keek? All the stuff in. On cat food? There you go, big fella. Keek? There you go. Enjoy. I think it's gonna rain pretty well. Got firewood covered, got all the stuff in. Perfect timing. Perfect timing, guys. You guys alright after a pretty bad storm last night? Storm last night. All night. Trying to move off. Trying to turn it to a nice day. The morning is showing promise for it being a nice day. This is good. I already feel the warmth of that sun. That's the one right there. The birds are doing a lot of chirping this morning. Mainly what they're saying, it's better to be dry. It rained. Now it's hot and humid as hell. Another storm moving in. Thunder rolling around. Yeah, and you see that storm front. Plain as day. Thunder rolls over the lake. It's early morning. Everybody's off at work. These bees are really harvesting this bush, whatever kind of bush it is. Somebody will tell me because I don't know. There's bees everywhere. Swallows. It's gonna be a good day. How do I know it's gonna be a good day? I'm going to make it a good day. I get to decide. Make it what you want it to be. That's all you can do. Wake up. The birds are telling you it's time to get up. Even on these plants here, there's all kinds of bees. Hear them buzzing. Probably can't see them, but there's bunches. Spread that pollen. See that little bee? Makes a lot of noise. Very loud wings. Good deeds done for the day. Helped a fellow camper. He's messing with his fishing boat and got a flat tire on his trailer, so I changed his tire for him. So what do I owe you? Nothing but a handshake. Pay it forward, people. Have a great and wonderful day. I was about 2 minutes late. I was running to try to catch up to that beaver. Easy, that's not what I meant. It's about campfire time. So I will say have a great and wonderful day.